So next we will learn how to make a line chart and bar chart with the help of any given data in a workbook. So in the given illustration, revenue and its annual growth rate has been provided for years 2012, 2013 and 2014. So our task is to cover all details in one chart, which can be achieved with the help of a combo chart, showing revenue as bar chart on the primary axis and its growth rate as line chart on the secondary axis. So let's show you how this is done. First, select the data from cell B10 to G12. Now click on Insert Column Chart, which is under the Insert ribbon menu. Now click on Change Chart Type, which will open a new dialog box for you. Now click on Combo, and as we can see, chart type for revenue has been classified as column and growth rate has been classified as line chart. But there is one issue with this chart. Both revenue and growth rate are on the same axis, due to which we cannot see the YOY growth rate in the given chart. So for this, we will have to click on the secondary axis for line chart and then click OK. Now, as we can see, we have successfully made a combo chart from the chart menu. Now let us tell you a shortcut to do the same in seconds. So once you have selected the data, click on Recommended Charts in the Insert menu. So now click on OK. So as we can see, we have a ready-made chart in this case with some minor edits required. So click on the chart and then drag the blue highlighted portion to take it to the beginning of year 2012. So by doing this, we have removed the blank columns in between. Also, we can rename this chart to Revenue versus Growth. And further, we can see that the range looks clumsy on the left hand side. So we can just right click on the left axis and then click on Format Axis. So now reduce the range from 4,30,000 to 4,20,000 and increase the major units to 10,000 from 5,000. So now as we can see, the chart axis on the left hand side looks a bit clean. So you can also remove the grid lines by clicking on the vertical lines in between and then pressing delete. We can also add axis titles by clicking on the chart and then clicking on Design in the Chart Tools option. Then click on Add Chart Element on the extreme left hand side, and further under Axis Title, click on Primary Vertical as well as Secondary Vertical. Now give them appropriate names, say Revenue on the left hand side and YOY Growth on the right hand side. So we can also add border by clicking on the chart and then clicking on Format sub-menu under the Chart Tools menu. Then click on Shape Outline and select any color. Suppose we select black. Now as we can see, we have also added a border in our case.